The Seabird toured the Pacific during World War II as the USNS New Bedford. Thanks to individuals passionate about saving the environment, in 2006, the Seabird Adventure Team commissioned the New Bedford to help fight a new battle. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is an accumulation of plastic waste, larger than the state of Texas. Efforts are being made to turn the Seabird into a powerful, environmentally friendly, water-cleaning vessel. We are committed to seeing this project through, but we cannot do it alone. You can help.